Hey, welcome back. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about a jewelry line that sent some jewelries to me and also this makeup look. If you like it here, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any video from me. And also, if you like this video, support your girl by giving it a thumbs up. So without wasting time, let's head to the video. So today I will be sharing with you guys some of the jewelries that were sent to me by SOUHOUNEY website. They are customized jewelry. You can send them to someone as a gift if you, because they are very beautiful. You can use your name, you can use the name of your child, you can use the name of your friend, you can use the name of your husband. They are customized jewelry. They have gold, they have silver, they have bronze. They are so beautiful. So I got in here two with me that they sent to me. They sent me a bracelet and a neck chain. It came inside this box. So when you open, there's a paper. This is it. There's a paper on it. This paper said "Moments that matters" caption in jewelries. And at the back is written, "Show us how it looks, #mini gifts." So this is it, this booklet, and this is the jewelry. They put it in this case, and this is it. I'm so happy when I received it because they wrote my name on it. They were able to grab my name on it. It was kept here, and this is it, guys. So I choose this silver color. I choose silver. So this is the bracelet. I'm going to put it on in a minute. You can use whatever name you want, if it is object, whatever you want, because they are customized. So they will be able to do it for you. And also, I have the second box. This is the second box. This one is for the bracelet. Also, they kept this card. And inside the card is written, "All love dreams, we believe that the best gifts are meaningful. For birthday to anniversaries, Christmas to Mother's Day, your jewelry should be personal and reflect your true feelings." So that's what is written. And this is a bracelet. They put it in this sachet. And in the bracelet, look at it. In the bracelet, they wrote Christoph and Chelsea Christoph. That is it. I'm going to put that on so that you guys can see. This is the bracelet on. One thing I like, the bracelet, you can remove, if you like, you can remove the pendant. Is it pendant they call this thing here? You can remove them. Maybe if you have another chain that you want to add it to, you can add it in another chain. You understand? So this is the bracelet. And let me wear the chain for you guys to see. So this is the chain. You guys can see. How gorgeous is this? So that is it. That is it. I think I have a discount code. I think I have a discount code. I'm going to check and put it on the description box. So if you're interested, you check them out because they are very affordable and they are beautiful. Like I said, you can, if you want to send a gift to a friend, you want a gift, birthday gift, anniversary gift, any time of the day, not really just wedding or anniversary or a Father's Day or Mother's Day. You can present, you can send gift to your loved ones anytime of the day, any time of the year. And this is a perfect gift for you to give to somebody that it will appreciate, because this is a lifetime something. You understand? The person will appreciate it all the days of his life, because you can see whatever you want to, if you want to use symbol of love, if you want to use the person's name, if you want whatever you want them to crave for you. So that is it. They will do it for you. And you can see I can fake this one. This is my name that is written on it. If you like this jewelry, I'm going to leave the information about their website. It is, the name of the company is SOUHOUNEY. SOUHOUNEY. That is the name of the brand, SOUHOUNEY.com. So that is it about this video. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, keep on watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. So please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and hit on that notification bell. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up to support your girl. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to go to SOUHOUNEY.com to create a gift for somebody that you love, your loved one, your boyfriend, your husband, your sister, your brother, your child, your children, your friends, anyone that is so dear to you. This is very, very special. It's a special gift that you can offer to someone. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.